The World Health Organization in Timor-Leste marked World Health Day 2026 under the theme Together for Health, Stand with Science. The event highlighted the importance of science and collaboration in strengthening the country's healthcare system, featuring an exhibition that showcased joint efforts between the Ministry of Health and WHO to improve public health services. National leaders, development partners, and stakeholders from across the health sector took part, including the President of the Republic, José Ramos-Horta. The President underlined the importance of unity and trust in science, calling on all sectors of society to work together to promote healthier communities, and reaffirmed the need for continued investment in health as a foundation for national development.
On the 78th birthday of the World Health Organization, my warmest congratulations to WHO, to its workforce across the world, to those serving among us, a special warmest greeting. This year, World Health Day theme, Together for Health, Stand with Science, is very fitting for where Timor-Leste stands. What we have achieved over the years, we have achieved together. And every step forward has been guided by science. Health has been central to my engagement, both as President and as a person, nationally and internationally. At the UN General Assembly, health side events, and in many meetings with DG, Dr. Tedros, in Geneva this February, I have spoken for Timor-Leste and for the values of equity and science in shaping a healthier nation. I still carry with me the conversation with Dr. Tedros. He congratulated Timor-Leste on its many achievements and, importantly, the recent historic certification for elimination of malaria and our determined response against COVID-19. To hear those words from the leader of the world's foremost health body was deeply moving. I also took the opportunity to be direct with Dr. Tedros about the challenges that lie before us. Dengue, tuberculosis, the rising tide of non-communicable diseases, climate change, and the urgent need for special services. For more than 2 decades, WHO has worked alongside Timor-Leste through hardship and recovery. This partnership has helped our country achieve some remarkable results. The elimination of 6 diseases as public health threats from our soil, and most recently malaria. For this, I express my deep gratitude to our national leadership and to WHO, our partners, to Timorese workers, volunteers, scientists, public health teams, families whose dedication made these achievements possible.
The Minister of Health emphasized the government's commitment to improving access to quality health care, strengthening frontline services, and investing in preventive care, particularly in rural and vulnerable communities, while also highlighting the importance of partnerships with international organizations. The WHO representatives stressed the importance of sustained collaboration, evidence-based policies, and continued investment in resilient health systems to address current and future health challenges.
Tonight, we celebrate all of you, the policymakers, the health workers, the educators, and our esteemed partners who have devoted years to the vital work of protecting lives. Your commitment is the foundation of every achievement we recognize today. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this year's theme of WHO Day is simple yet very powerful. Together for Health, Stand for Science. This is actually a call to action. The science that brought us medicines, diagnostics, devices, vaccines that help us eradicate smallpox, or is pushing polio at the verge of elimination and continues to push back the diseases. But yet today, it is increasingly challenged by misinformation and doubt. This hesitation actually costs lives. So standing for science means choosing evidence over fear, facts over rumors, and action over hesitation, even when it is very difficult. But science alone is not enough. Science must travel and must reach every community, every household, and every individual. That's what Together for Health truly means. Over the years, and with renewed momentum in the last 5, Timor-Leste has demonstrated how steadfast commitment to science, evidence-based policy making, and collaborative actions can translate into tangible health gains for its people. WHO has been privileged to walk alongside the government, providing technical assistance grounded in global evidence and contextualized to the national priorities. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you what Together for Health, Stand for Science looks like in here, Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste actually added over a decade of life expectancy since independence, a remarkable achievement for a young country. A young country like Timor-Leste has eliminated polio, measles, maternal and neonatal tetanus, rubella, lymphatic filariasis, and most recently achieved the malaria-free certification, a historic milestone driven by strong surveillance, laboratory capacity, and data-driven leadership. These are powerful reminders that science combined with solidarity delivers
The celebration
results.
reflected Timor-Leste's ongoing commitment to building a stronger and more resilient health system through innovation and partnership.